Hey guys, in this week's video I'm going to be doing a review on JDM ASTAR LED conversion kit. Before I jump into this, I would like to thank JDM ASTAR for making this video possible. Like I do with any review, guys, I'm going to be breaking this review down into segments. First doing a what's in the box, and then I'm going to do a comparison to the halogen factory bulbs that are in this car, and then we're gonna go for a drive, show you guys some footage at night of driving around, and then end the video with my conclusion and my thoughts on the kit and whether or not it's good and you should go out and grab it. Alright, let's waste no time and see what's in the box. So when you first open the box, guys, you will see the instructions that also have the little key that will allow you to adjust the beam on your headlights. So one thing to note is the output on these are 4,000 lumens, which is really nice and bright. I really like how this is packed and presented. You could tell that nothing moved around, nothing got damaged, so you would know you receive your kit with no issues. One thing to note, guys, is this LED kit is actually using a heatsink. This is a heatsink instead of a fan, which is nice because you will not hear no noise while it's running and operating. The build quality is really nice. I really love how big and thick and heavy duty this heatsink feels. You don't have to worry about no overheating. So now let me go ahead and throw this into the car and install it. If you guys want to see that video, I will leave it linked down in the bio. So once it's installed, I'm going to come back and then show you guys a comparison. Now, to start this comparison off, I wanted to show you guys how the OEM halogen bulbs look. Now this is the LEDs. I'm about to go take the car out for a spin for you guys can see how they look out on the road. Overall, this is just great. Wow. Way brighter than the halogen. Way brighter than OP7 LEDs, which I have right now currently in my Scion TC. This is great. Gosh. The clarity is amazing. So it's been a couple days driving with these LED headlights at night, and I've got to say I'm very impressed by the throw and the pattern on these LEDs. It's a really nice solid pattern, really nice and flat. Nice. It throws just like how you expect from a halogen in a xenon HID headlight, and it do still produce a nice hot spot, so you get that throw down the road. Like, I'm very impressed by these. I've used many other big box popular LED company, which is known to have some of the best LEDs on the market, and these by far surpass it. Like, I'm seriously considering ordering a pair and throwing them in my Scion TC. So right now I currently have OP7 LEDs, which I found out was better than Kenton HIDs, and this right here surpasses both. Overall, I highly recommend these. I mean, it's great, good quality, very reliable so far. The only thing is it gets hot obviously by the heat sink on these LEDs, so make sure you have no wires touching it for you don't melt anything. If you guys have any questions about this product, hit me up. Feel free to. Even if you're watching this 3-4 months, 5 months from now, 6 months from now, hit me up and I'll tell you exactly how they look. If anything changed as far as quality, one go out or anything, for sure you will see a review update, or I will link it down in the description. But if you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up and let me know I'm doing a good job, and subscribe. More videos to come. So like always, it was a pleasure, guys. Jerome Junior out.